Good morning, Sudarshan Reddy Gudur. Our modern weather scientists, our modern agriculture doctors don't know why cyclones are not coming onto the earth for last 10, 15 years. They don't know why evening rains are not coming or not raining on the earth, on the fields. Before 1990, before borewells, if any clouds, of course, regularly clouds used to form in the western side at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. By time increasing, they becoming darker and darker. At 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, they starting rain. They used to start rain, and the rain would have used to fall throughout the night. But now at evening, all the clouds are vanishing at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, like a imported man, important man. Our doctors don't know. Our agriculture doctors, our modern scientists don't know why this is. Just this is just due to deep water level in the grounds. Our old elders used to say, if tamarind gives crop, then mango trees not gives crop. If mango trees give crops, tamarind trees not gives crops. Why? What is that? We know that tamarind's sensitive period is June 21, 21 to 23. That is the longest day of the year. That means if there is heavy rains, tamarind gives crops. As mango trees sensitive period is the shorter solstice days, that is falls in now December. So heavy rains prolongs the crop growth in the mangoes, then maturity delays and crops not gives. If there is a less rains, mango trees gives good crops, then tamarind trees not gives good crops. If there is a moderate rains, both trees gives crops. If there is very little rains on that year, both plants not gives crops. I successfully observed if magnesium spray improves flowers, moreover female flowers on every plant. So it is better to due to due to rains in the November and December, mangoes or mangoes flowering season is prolonging to January and February. They are not getting good crop. But if we spray magnesium zinc sulfate and magnesium 10 to 15 days before mango flowering period, that is 21, 22, 22. That means we have to spray these minerals in the starting of the December. Then mango trees may get good crops. As due to heavy rains, flowering season is prolonged to January and February. Due to bad weather, the many diseases are attacking the flowers, mostly fungus diseases, and many flowers are dropping, many nuts are dropping. But if we spray zinc and magnesium, 100% flower will not be dropped, 100% nuts will not be dropped. Moreover, best quality and heavy quality crop will be yielded. In schools, we learned that a story about golden egg laying duck story. There was a golden egg that was used to give a golden egg regularly, but the owner became very, very greedy and he cut the duck the stomach and wanted to collect all the eggs at one time and do a big business. But as he cut the duck, there wasn't any eggs. That is the condition of the rains. If we take in proper proportionate of water, then there should be regular rains in the every year. But as we are sucking more water from the ground, trees are not evaporating sufficient water, so rains are not falling regularly. In generally, scientists says every healthy tree evaporates 400 liters of water every day. If all the trees evaporates water into the sky, into the weather, All these with vapor forms clouds and gives water regularly. But nowadays, due to the deep borewell, the trees are not even evaporating sufficient water. Moreover, some many of them dying because of scarcity of water. If you want to get good olden days, we have to ban complete borewells, even domestic and agricultural borewells. We have to supply borewells water to agriculture and to the domestic areas only by the dams and by the rivers like great great KCR's plan or thought. He also showed another method, that is Chandiyagam. In our Vedas said, if we conduct yagas, then rains will fall regularly. As KCR conducted Chandiyagam 4 5 years back, rains are falling regularly in the 100 kilometers area. So it may be better to conduct rain yagas or Chandi yagas throughout the India, maybe throughout the world. Then we have to see that it is correct or not. All that said in Vedas is absolute truth. We know it. Due to irregular rains, due to the deep water in the soil, many trees are becoming barren. Forests are becoming barren, and most of all becoming a forests becoming deserts. I recommend enthusiastic farmers and scientists, please give some neem water to some selected neem trees or tamarind trees and mangoes regularly with like a flood irrigation system twice or thrice a month. Then they can find that these trees gives good crop regularly per every year. That means if we supply water to the total forest and wild trees, then all the trees gets good crops and good. Then it will be very sufficient granary to all the animals and even to the human beings. For that, we have to ban the borewells first. So, as CKCR said, we have to implement both methods. Supply water to the all the domestic areas to the Mission Bhagirath method. Another method is the conduct the Chandi Yagam. Then good olden days will come. Then we will get water in the wells like good olden days by step wells. Then water used to fall regularly will be fall regularly on the earth like olden days. Jai Hind.